Welcome to our channel. Now we draw Bluey. Now draw same like square box like this. Now first step is finished. We going to second step. Now we draw nose and eyebrow. Eyebrow same like this. And ear same like as a feature. Second ear same like as a feature. Fourth step, we draw eye and mouth. First eye, second eye, the mouth also same like as a picture. Fifth step, we draw hand and leg like as a feature. Now right hand side like as a picture. Left side hand like a picture. Easy step to step. We draw together the Bluey drawing. Now we draw the leg. The leg same like as a picture. Left side leg. Like as a picture. Easy to draw. Sixth step, draw a badge. Like this. So same like this. Like this. First step, we draw tail, Bluey tail. Easy as a picture. Now we going to coloring. Okay, if you learn the drawing, kindly subscribe me and like this video. Thank you very much.